Let me show you several examples to illustrate that Scrivener did not merely slavishly follow the King James Version, but rather attempted to reflect the family of printed editions of the TR as utilized by the King James Version translators. Hebrews 10:23. In the King James Version it reads, "Let us hold fast the profession of our faith without wavering, for he is faithful that promised." The phrase in question here is the profession of our faith. If you look at Scrivener's Greek edition at Hebrews 10:23, for that corresponding translation, the profession of our faith, you see the Greek words tein hama logion tes elpidos, or elpidos. If Scrivener slavishly followed the King James Version, we would expect his text to read tein homologion tes pisteos. He would use pistis rather than elpis. Instead, we again find that Scrivener follows the family of TR printed editions, as this is the reading of Stephanus and Beza, and in this case it's also the reading of the Nestle-Aland 28th edition. Now, you might ask, why did the Authorized Version render this as the profession of our faith? Okay, I can understand if Kyrios is going to be rendered as God, but if it says in the text the profession of our hope, elpis, why did they render it as faith? There's a very interesting discussion of this in John Owen's commentary on Hebrews. And you know he wrote a massive commentary on Hebrews. In volume 6 of that commentary, pages 514 to 518, he does a detailed study of this verse. And within it, he acknowledges that the reading, as he puts it, in some copies, reads the profession of our hope, but argues that the translation here in the Authorized Version, the profession of our faith, is more fitting and can be rightly taken as the proper rendering of the text. He writes, quote, "For on our faith our hope is built, and is an eminent fruit thereof. Wherefore, holding fast our hope, including in it the holding fast of our faith, as the cause is in the effect, and the building in the foundation." And probably what that tells us is that was the mindset of men of that era. So perhaps it's not surprising that's the way the rendering came out in the Authorized Version. You know, one of the odd things in Mark Ward's talk at Bob Jones Seminary, he gave an anecdote about someone he knows who held to I think it was somebody in IFB circles, who supposedly this text completely destroyed his confidence in the Bible. I'm like, why?